So we're demonstrating one of the systems that we have that utilizes InOcean technology. This system is basically a HVAC within student accommodation or hotel rooms. And basically what we have here is a window, and we have a light to indicate the HVAC mode that is in operation. So we have it blue for cooling, it will change red for heating, and basically we can indicate if the window is opened or closed. So once the window is open, then that light goes off to indicate that HVAC system is turned off. Once the window is closed, then we can actually see that it's running in normal operation based on the set point that we provide. To change the set point, we use a user interface that can then change the set point accordingly. If you up the set point up to 25 degrees, then you can see it going to red. If we change it down to blue, then down to 14 degrees, that you can see it changing down to blue.